Leadership, reliability, excellence. Welcome to Alliance Laundry Systems, the leader in commercial laundry solutions.
Our global engineering organisation of 200 professional engineers, technicians and craftspersons, supported by numerous external development partners, helps our customers achieve success through high-quality laundry systems. 70 members of this team are located at our Czech facility, and we continue to expand. In 2016, Alliance has invested in the new Science, Technology and Research Centre, located at our manufacturing site in Pribor, the Czech Republic.
The STAR Centre provides the infrastructure for innovation, product development and reliability testing under one roof.
Customer and market needs are at the heart of our products. Our designers use state-of-the-art techniques to convert those needs to solution concepts, drawings and three-dimensional models. By using advanced finite element analysis, we optimize the design and ensure it will withstand the load cases expected throughout the life of the product. In our STAR Centre workshop, physical components and systems are created. Initial machine mock-ups are used to evaluate the aesthetics, assembly and general design of systems. Then, functional prototypes form the basis for our first testing programs. In parallel, the mechatronics and microelectronics teams develop the muscles and the brain of the machine. Here, the link between the machine operation and the outside world is established. Various levels of testing are conducted on prototype components, sub-assemblies and machines, according to international and the Alliance rigorous standards. This ensures the high quality, performance and reliability. Testing under extreme loading conditions helps pinpoint any potential mechanical problems, while software and electronics are tested to confirm proper operation of the interfaces and the total control of the machine.
After zero series manufacture, performance testing is conducted on the machines to ensure they meet specifications.
Reliability testing at Alliance is the most stringent in the industry. We test machines under extreme conditions to over 30,000 cycles, representing more than 15 years of machine life. In parallel, equipment is sent to some of our closest customers for field testing, before the final release of products for full-scale production. Sustainability is important to Alliance. We incorporate this in our products, and this was a fundamental consideration in the development of the STAR Centre, where we have installed water recycling systems with a capacity of 30 meters cubed per hour to completely recycle the water in the lab. At the STAR Centre, we also look to the future of laundry. We have dedicated an area of the lab to innovation and creation. Here we convert innovative ideas to reality. At Alliance, we are committed to supplying high-quality, reliable and profitable solutions to our customers. The STAR Centre is one more leap forward to strengthen our position of excellence in meeting this commitment.
I invite you to come and visit our team of experts and our STAR Centre and experience it for yourself. We look forward to your visit.